Hi students, you are doing well. This is your 4th unit, 23rd video lecture. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about instruction formats. So I want to explain about instruction formats, how kinds they are, and what is the use of the instruction formats, and how many types are there, and each and everything we will see in a detailed manner. This is your 23rd video lecture in your 4th unit, Computer Organization and Architecture. What is the instruction format? I hope that you all know about the instruction. Instruction is nothing but a set of commands. A command. Instruction is a command. Instruction is a rule, how to do. So instruction helps us to do the work in an appropriate way. So the combination of instructions we can call as program. So-called program is a combination of instructions. So-called program is a combination of instructions. The types of address instructions. Three kinds, three types are instructions. Three types of instructions are there. One is 3 address mode, second one is 2 address mode, third one is 1 address mode and 0 address. We will see each and every address mode in detailed manner, each address instruction in detailed manner in the coming slides. What is the instruction format? So what you are able to see on the screen, this is the instruction register. It's called instruction register. This register contains some parts. One is mode, another one is opcode, another one is operand, another one is address. These are all parts of instruction register. And this is the instruction register. Instruction register helps to do the operations in a computer organization architecture. Without help of the instruction, that is, without help of the instruction, we can't do anything. Instructions are like commands, like a rules to do, how to do, when to do. So, if you want to say this thing, so instruction including 3 parts. One is operation, operand, and address. This is the address mode. This is the opcode. This talks about the operation, and the mode talks about the where this operand will available. So these all 3 contained by instruction register. So remember this one thing, that is instruction register or instruction contains the operation, opcode, and address mode. Okay. Now I am going to talk about the types of addresses. Types of addresses. Addresses in what? Instructions. Type of address instructions. Already we have seen the address modes, but we are going to see about the types of address instructions. So totally I already said that 3 kinds are there. One is 3, second 2, 1, 0. So first one is the 3 address instruction. So nothing but 3 address instruction is nothing but it will have the 2 operand. Operand, what is the operand? Operand is nothing but containing the data. Containing of a data. So here, one destination, one is destination, and two will talk about the data. For example, R1 and R2 and R3. These are three. And there is the data in R1 and also data in R2, that is the operand. R1 operand is there, R2 operand is there. And R2, this I want to both of them, and I want to send to R3. So here, how many registers are there? R1, R2 and R3. What kind of operation you want to perform? Add operation. You want to add that. You are adding. What you are doing, you are adding. Look at here carefully. The address is nothing but what it talks about memory address for the two operands. So memory address for why it called as the three address instructions. So two operands. Operands means two. For example, in one operand contains the 5 and second operand contains the 10. And what you want to do? You want to add operand 1, and you want to add operand 2. In operand 1, 5 is there. In operand 2, 10 is there. You want to add both of them. Then 5 plus 10, 15. 15 will come and store in register 3. In register 3. And this is, what is this? This is R1, R2, R3. What is going on? So what is that? R1 gives less to R2 plus R3. So both are adding. The result will go to the register 1. This is a 3 address instruction. How many addresses are there? First 5, just imagine 5 is here, 10 is here, and 15 going to store here. So first we have to identify where is the address of the 5, and then you have to identify where is the address of the 10, and then you have to add both of them, and we have to send that result in the address R3. How many addresses are there? 3 addresses are there. And this kind of address instructions called, this kind of address instructions called 3 address instructions. 3 address, also called general register organization. Example, add is operation R1, comma A, comma B. Okay, A, comma B will be added and sent to the data into R1, like that. Maybe division, multiplication, subtraction, everything you can do. If you're doing like this, okay, I mean this is one place, this is one place, and another place. 3 addresses are mentioned here. This kind of operations called 3 address instructions. Again, 2 address instruction. What is 2 address instruction? 2 address instruction, just you want to remove the one address space. If you are using 3, you call it as 3 address instructions. If you are maintaining only 2 addresses, then it is called 2 address instruction. 2 address instruction. You will see. Previously we have seen R2, R3, 3. Now we are going to see only 2. What is that? The operation is the same. Add. What do you want to add? R1 plus R2 you want to add. Again, the result what would become? The result again you want to store into R1 only. Here there is no other register. We have only 2 registers. We have only 2 addresses. One is R1, second one is R2. So we are not mentioning the one more address here. And this kind of modes instructions called 2 address mode instructions. Example, move means move, add. This move, add, mul, these are called opcode. Opcode will talk about the operations that would have done on the data. There is subtraction or multiplication or division or addition. So the way the operation that performed by on data. This is called 2 address instruction. two address instruction. So here's the one address, R1 is address, MA is the second address, MB is one address, R1 is address, again R1 already revealed. So here MC is the one address, R2 is one other address, MD, R2. Here totally two addresses only there, and this kind of instructions are called two address mode instructions, two address instructions. So one address instructions. What is that? One address instruction. So what is the difference between the two address, three address, one address? Nothing but the place, the representation only the difference. If you are using three locations at the same time, then you call it as three address instruction. If you are using the two locations, then you call it as two address instruction. If you are using the only one location, then you call it as a one address instruction. If you don't want to use anything, then you can call it as zero address instructions. Just to look at here, many examples are already given here. One address instructions. One address can be a registered name of memory address, single accumulator organization. It uses AC register for all data. Manipulation. Instruction add X. Micro operation AC accumulator gives A plus MX. This is one address. How we evaluate? Simple. So they evaluate X equal to A plus B star C star B. Load A, add B. First load A, add B. Store. Where it has to? Has store T. First to load the, what is telling us load AC? For example, AC equal to 5. Then AC is to A plus B. So we have to know about the MB value. And then add the MB value with the B accumulator, and then we get some output, that is the T. And again, T to C, add D, multiply it and store X. This is a one address evaluate, zero address instruction. Stack is used. Arithmetic operations pops two operations from the stack and pushes the, also called stack organization. What is this? Stack. Use the zero address instruction. What it says, stack is used, arithmetic operations pops to operands from the stack and push the result. All of you know about the stack, I think so. This is a stack. This is the stack. Okay, stack. Stack is used, arithmetic operations pops to operands from the stack and pushes the result, also called a stack organization. Here only using one thing. And finally, zero evaluate address instruction. Zero address instruction. Here A, toss B, toss B, toss A plus B, toss C, toss D, toss C. Then the push, add, push, add, mul, pop. Push A first, push B first, for the 2, 5, then add it, 7. And push A, put something, push D, push something, add, something will come. Multiplication, same numbers, store. So zero address instruction here, no reference at all. So these are the push the element 1 and again push the element B 2, add them, so add 1 plus 2, 3. Then push C, just imagine push C some other 4 and push D 5, add them, or then add them to 9 is the answer. Store. So zero address instructions will be like this. So the format of instructions usually depicted in a rectangular box symbolizing the bits of the instructions as they appear in the memory words or in a control register. The bits of the instructions are divided into groups called field. The most common field found instruction formats are an operation code field that specifies the operation to be performed, then an address field that designates the memory address or a processor registers. The mode field that specifies the way that operand or the effective address is determined. Other special fields are sometimes employed under certain circumstances, as for example, a field that gives the number of fits in spit type instructions. Example field that gives the number of shift type instructions. What are you actually talking here? We're talking about the zero address instruction. Two address, zero address, one address, two address, three address, based on the addresses. And we'll classify 4 different kinds of address instructions. 4 different kinds of address instructions. They are using the 3 references, they can call as a 3 address. If they use the 2, we can call as a 2. If they use the 1, we can call as 1. And if they are not using 0, these are the 4 kinds of instruction, 4 kinds of instructions, address instructions that are using in computer automation architecture. So I want to wind up here once again to giving thanks to you, each and every one of you, for patiently were listening. And yeah, here I want some of, in this video lecture I discussed regarding address instructions, address instruction formats, address instruction format. This instructions contains opcode, operand and address. Instruction contain opcode, operand and address. And types of address are 3. First one is the 3 address 4. First one is the 3 address instruction. Second one is the 2 address instruction. Third one is the 1 address instruction. Last one is 0 address instruction. So based on the reference, availability of the locations, and these are classified into 4 types. So I hope that you will enjoy this video lecture. I hope that you understand the concept also. Do you have any doubt regarding this topic, even though listening of this video? And you can ask me your doubts in our online interactive session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. See you later. Bye.